Hey guys, today I'm working on the HVAC or climate control blower system on this 2010 Dodge Caliber. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So my problem was that my blower was not working on speed 1 or speed 4. So the lowest setting and the highest settings were not working. Blower tests fine, it works like it should. And then the resistor right here, I took that out and just ohms tested it. Just basically testing the pins with a meter, and they should be like between 1 and 3. After I figured out that the resistor was probably not the problem, I started looking at the climate control here, and I found a guy on YouTube. I can't remember his handle, but he was saying that these things get burnt on the back side. So getting this bezel off was kind of tricky. There's a screw up here, right here, that you need to take out. And then there's 2 clips that pop out right here. And then the other annoying thing was the screws that are behind here. So it's kind of difficult to get to those screws. Somebody actually already broke right here, broke this one off, so I didn't need to take that one out. But I pretty much just shoved the screwdriver in here on an angle and unscrewed it, rather than taking this whole thing off here, which is annoying. This just popped out of here. This just pops off from here. But anyway, to get this apart here, there's just a couple of clips. So basically there's some tabs right here on the side, which are these that you push in, and then on the side of it, right here and right here, they clip in right here. Same thing with these ones right here, and then there's tabs on the end. But once you've got this popped apart, you can see right here are the blower connectors. As you turn the speed of the fan, these little connectors twist and send voltage to the corresponding places. But you can see the grease on here is burnt on here. So what we're going to do is just take a screwdriver here and scrape this off and clean this up. Okay, we've got these cleaned up here. You also want to make sure this one's cleaned up the whole way around too. And then I also cleaned up this tab over here just to make sure everything is making a good connection. We're going to snap this back together, put it back together. Okay, we're ready to test it here. We've got blower speed 1, blower speed 2, and 3 obviously still working. Ooh, okay, so blower 4, there we go, it's working. So this was the problem. All right, awesome, there's our fix. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.